In this video, I'll guide you on how you can dispute a charge on the Discover app. Really easy and simple. First, go ahead and open up the Discover mobile app. Okay, if you haven't done this already, download the Discover app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Then log in with your username and password. And now, what you need to do is first find the transaction to dispute. So on the home screen, you want to tap on your credit card account. Okay, scroll through your transactions and find the charge you actually want to dispute. Now tap on the transaction to open up the details. Now, this is the important part. You want to select either report a problem or dispute transaction. This depends on your app version. Okay, go ahead and tap on that option, and then basically Discover will ask you to select a reason for the dispute, such as, unauthorized charges, basically fraudulent transactions, duplicate charges, incorrect amounts, items not received, right? It may be service not as described. You can go ahead and choose that. And then if needed, you can go ahead and explain why you're disputing the charge. Some disputes may require supporting documents like receipts or emails. And then you just need to go ahead and submit the dispute, right? Review your information, confirm the dispute submission, and Discover will basically investigate and may issue a temporary credit while reviewing the claim. And next, you just want to track your dispute status, right? Check the status, go back to your account settings of the app, look for the dispute center or dispute status section, and Discover may contact you if they need more information. If you have actually gone through fraud, I would actually just suggest lock your card using Discover's Freeze It feature to prevent further charges. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.